this is John. Welcome to my channel, Just Empty in Electronics. In one of my videos, we have seen about how to control a servo motor with a potentiometer. But today we are going to see something interesting. We are going to add multiple servo motor and we have to add multiple potentiometer and we have different set of programmings for it. And as usual, you have to do one thing, like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Let's get on today's video.
Yeah, okay friends, now we can see what are the things that are required for today's video. First, we need an Arduino board and we need some bunch of servo motors. Along with it, we need some potentiometers, few jumper cables and an Arduino connector and a breadboard. So that's all with our requirements. Yeah, okay friends, now we are on our connection side. As a first step, we are going to connect our Arduino's 5 volt and ground to our breadboard. So let me take a closer look of 5 volt and ground. So as you can see, there is a 5 volt and a ground. So we are going to connect it to breadboard. Yeah, we are done with our connection of 5 volt and ground, and now we are going to take our servo motor. So our servo motor consists of 3 pins, digital pin, ground and VCC. So we are going to make a ground and VCC in our Arduino's ground and 5 volt. So let me do the connections, and the digital pin is connected to the digital pins of the Arduino. Now we are done with our servo motor connection. So I have made the ground to ground and VCC to 5 volt of Arduino, and I have connected my digital pin to 7th pin of the Arduino. I will show you a closer look. So I am using in my program 7, 8, 10, 9 and 10th pin of our digital Arduino as our servo motor pins. So this is the basic connection. You have to do further for more 3 servo motors. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, okay friends, now we are finally done with our connection. So I have placed my 4 servo motor here, and I have fixed my servo motor with my double-sided tape for better grip, and I have also placed my potentiometer along with the breadboard with the double-sided tape, and these are the pin configurations, and I have connected my VCC and ground of potentiometer and my servo motor to the breadboard, and I have given my potentiometer per digital pins to 7, 8, 9 and 10th pin of the Arduino. Let us take a closer look. So as you can see, 7, 8 and 10th pin of the Arduino is connected to potentiometer, and analog pin is connected to A0 to A3 to the potentiometer center pin. So that's all with our connections. Yeah, okay friends, now we are on our programming side. So I'll directly hit the Arduino, and I have also given some programs or codings for my controlling multiple servo motor with the potentiometers. So as a first step, you have to do, or you have to insert your header file. So I have given here /include servo.h, and we'll be using 4 servo motor. So I have declared my servo motors here. As I have declared my servo motor names as John 1, John 2, 3 and 4, and we will be using a potentiometer. So I have declared my potentiometer pins as pot pin. We will be using 4 potentiometer. I have given here pot pin 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and I have given the analog pin A0, A1, A2 and A3 for our potentiometer pins, and I have declared my int val. So we will be using this value in our loop section. So I will say it later. And in our setup section, we will be attaching our servo motor pins to our Arduino. So I am giving my servo motor pins to 7, 8, 9 and 10th pin of our Arduinos. So that's all with our setup. Now we are going for our loop session. In our loop session, we will be having our val. So this val is used to read the analog value of potentiometer pin. So I am given as val equal to analog read of pot pin 1 or pot pin. So the val is used to read the analog values of the potentiometer, and these analog values are read by this val, and this is used to map the potentiometer, or it is used to turn the potentiometer's degree. Yeah, you can see in your next line, it is a syntax for this val. John 1 dot write of val. So John 1 is our potentiometer's analog value is given to our servo motor. In easy way, John 1 is our servo motor and the servo motor is turned according with the valves read. So that's all with our first 3 lines, and I have given a delay for 5 microseconds. So these are the basic lines we have to concentrate. If we want we can cut and copy these lines. So I have copied for 4 times. So I am using here 4 potentiometer and servo motor. So that's all with our programming side. We can directly compile it. Yeah, okay friends, our program was done compiled and we can directly upload to our board. Yeah, okay friends, now we are on our result side. So I have uploaded my codes for my microcontroller Arduino, and now let's check it out. So I'll turn my first potentiometer. So as you can see in your right side, a servo motor is turning on. And I move to next second one, and you can see second one is turning on. And now I'm going to third one. As you can see, our third servo motor is turning on. Now I'll move to fourth one. As you can see, our first servo motor is turning on. Yeah, okay friends, now we are done with our result.
Yeah, okay friends, I think you have got a clear idea about how to connect a multiple servo motor with a multiple potentiometer, and I think you have got a clear idea about how to code for it. And if you have any other doubts or any other clarifications in your programming set or connections, just give a message in your comment box. I'll be replying for it. So we'll be seeing next video. Bye.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the